A very good afternoon to each and everyone. I am A. Shailaja Ram from Abhyudaya High School, working as a principal, and I have nearly 30 years experience in teaching field. I am very proudly I can say that I am proud of myself being called a teacher, being called a principal, being called an in charge of an prestigious institutions, educational institutions. The school may be small or big, but it is a school. And we are proudly, we can say ourselves that we are going to build a nation. So many professions are there in this society, so many are doing their best according to their knowledge, but they are not celebrating. We are celebrating throughout India. Teachers' Day celebrations, yes, very grandly we are celebrating in our schools, and this is a very good opportunity. The organizers, they have contributed their time, their money, and their effort for a good recognition for a right person who is working for the society. After our retirement also, we cannot sit at home idle. Still, we want to continue our profession by giving the education at free of cost also. Whoever nearby our homes, our servant women or anybody, or online teaching also, we are already ready. We have proved ourselves that we are very best in dealing whatever the circumstances are facing us. We had a very tough time during the COVID situation. No salary for us, less salary for us. Some of us lost the income and a job, but even though with bravely we stood, we have shown that that is the teacher. Yes, we have to clap ourselves very greatly. We should proud. Thank you so much for the good encouragement. Yes, and not only that, so many ladies are preferring this profession. So the reason behind is we have very much patience, talent everybody have. All the human beings, whoever are interested in this field, they are coming. But the ladies with the utmost interest and with a lot of patience, we have proved ourselves that in this profession we are perfect and we have chosen and we have situated a good path for the students. So many students who crossed 10th class from our school, they have settled very well in their lives. After so many years also, only teachers will have the good recognition. Though they have achieved and settled in their life, they are coming and wherever they approach a teacher, they bend and they are taking blessings of us. This is so many persons have proved in our history also. Guru Dakshina, with a lot of interest and respect they are offering from ancient period of time, because only gurus have that much respect in the society other than the other professions. Till now, that is, trend is continuing even till now. Even the Guru Purnima day, even the Teachers' Day, so many students are visiting us to take our blessings. And really we should proud of our profession. Though we are eligible to do a lot of professions, yes, I have attended so many interviews and I have worked as a personal assistant, means PA, as a general manager for Sanghi Group of Industries, one of the topmost industries, and in other works also I have worked. But even though I have chosen this profession, that I loved teaching and to engage with the students, it gives a lot of pleasure for me. Though we may get less salary, but the job satisfaction and the happiness whatever we are getting only in this profession, it is possible. So teachers, I request you that be proud of our profession, and our family members also, they are cooperating us very well. That's why we are able to continue our profession. So be honest. So you are the role model, and try to build up the nation by giving a very good citizens to our society. Thank you so much, one and all.